Every Shopify store has this powered by Shopify text on the footer by default, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month, but with this special offer it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. After you have your Shopify plan ready, all you need to do is go to online store right here, then click the 3 dots on your theme and edit default theme content. Now we are going to click this icon to search and filter and search for powered. And if you scroll down, you will see powered by Shopify. All you need to do is click right here and just add a space and save. So now if we go to our store and reload the page, we can see how it disappeared. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.